Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious burgers on a pan. Start with quality ground beef, ideally an 80/20 blend, for a juicy burger. Form your patties to about 3/4 inch thick, ensuring even cooking. Don't forget to season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper for maximum flavor. Get your cast iron skillet nice and hot over medium-high heat. A little oil, like canola or grapeseed, helps prevent sticking. Place your patties in the hot pan and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, depending on your desired doneness. Flip once for a perfect sear. For a classic cheeseburger, add a slice of your favorite cheese during the last minute of cooking. While the cheese melts, quickly toast your burger buns in the same pan for extra flavor and texture. Then, remove the burgers and let them rest for a moment to redistribute juices. Now for the best part, assembly. Spread your favorite sauces on the toasted buns. Place the juicy burger patty on the bottom bun, then pile on fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, ripe tomato, and thinly sliced onion. Enjoy your delicious homemade pan-fried burger, perfectly cooked every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.